What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be bringing you a technical analysis on the ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica Corporation. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on ZOM. I do see ZOM stock price being skyrocketed in the future because of their Trueforma system, which is launching at the end of this month, which is a whole lots of hype around it, and I think it's for good reason because it really does cut the middleman out of the whole process of scanning thyroid diseases and such. Okay, so now that that's all said, let's get right to the techniques. So you can see that the current level of support that we are fighting to stay on is $1.86. I know we have gone over and under it a couple times in the aftermarket, but this could be a resistance or support to watch Monday. Um, Currently, I think it's resistance, but I do think it's possible that we do regain that territory. We'll go check to be sure. $1.89. So currently we are above it. So that is definitely going to fluctuate though. So you can see that we also have a nice level of support at $1.70, which did save us today from the free fall a lot of stocks had from the market sell-off, as Nasdaq was down as bad as 3% today. Okay, so you can see also two supports at $1.28 and $1.15. I don't see it's likely to come down here, but I do have them marked anyways because you'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, so now for resistance, we can see we have resistance at $2.30, $2.65, and $2.93. So you can see that we did have a nice hammer candle today, which does show buying pressure because when it came down here, the buyers pushed it all the way back up here. So that is good. That is good because it's weak selling pressure. Sorry, it took me a second to think about that. You can see for the indicators we are above the 200-day MA, the green line right here. So we are bullish in the long term of things. And you can see the red line right here. We are contesting the 9-day EMA, which is a more short or long-term resistance or support, sorry, which I did point out in my last video, and we did get some price rejection there, but I don't really think we got a fair shot of even getting above that today because of the market sell-off. Hardly nothing was green. Okay, so we have a 51 on the RSI, which is coming close to undersold territory, but it is neutral currently. The last time the RSI was at 51 was all the way around 6 cents or so, which is pretty crazy. You could see this as a bad thing, as we're gonna tank all the way down. The momentum's gonna go down, or you could see it as this is a good time to hop in the rocket ship before it explodes. Okay, so you can see the volume today is 85 million, which it has kind of died down today. It is kind of a norm for the last 2 weeks we've been setting, or week and a half. Nothing significantly changing though. Do anticipate when the March date comes closer and closer, the volume will pick up, and I think the RSI hopefully will snap out with it. And we have an 85 million bar volume today, which is crazy because that's not even a lot of volume for this stock, which is crazy to think about. So we're going to go to the 1 hourly just to get a more minute point of things. And we did start off the day around here. We find it right here. And we did have a nice fat red bar in the morning as a lot of stocks sold off. The market just took a hit in the morning, right? Then we had kind of a doji candle, which does form indecision. We had a little bit of a sell-off, and then kind of a wide bar with some price rejection. We had two tweezer tops right here, which is a bearish sign, into the doji, which we did sell off a little bit, and then we hit a hammer candle right here, which is a very, very nice hammer candle. And we had another hammer candle, which is very good. That shows good buying pressure as as it drops right when I say that. But we are at a doji candle currently on the hourly. So this is decision. A lot of indecision today for sure, but I do think we have a lot of buying pressure as the buyer stepped in pretty fast today, and we really did not stay below that support for too long. Okay. So with all that being said, let's get into the indicators. You can see that currently we're at 43 on the RSI, and we are in a death cross to which we are currently contesting a reversal, a golden cross. This is interesting because we haven't had a golden cross for quite some time now. I think roughly 2-3 days now or so. 3 days now or whatnot. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on these indicators. And with that all being said, I'm going to wrap it up because I don't want to keep you guys here any longer than I have to. If you made it to this point of the video, I appreciate it so much. Keep an eye on all these crucial levels, and I am out.